Tom and Sky are outside playing in the snow. Toby's crying because he's not out with them. Come here, buds. So I'm gonna make them a little hot cocoa. I'm making that with some oat milk and some raw organic cacao powder. I'll sweeten it with a little bit of honey, and I'll probably top Tom's off with like a little teeny dash of cayenne pepper just to give it that heat. And Sky will only have just like a couple sips of this because honestly she doesn't need like a huge cup of hot chocolate. If you have kids, you get it. Was low. Cheers. Onions? Avocados? Some fish sticks? We'll put this can of beans. Broccoli. How about these potatoes?
Yeah, and these.
All right. Excellent work, Sky. I'm getting ready to go see Dutch. We're gonna do a little morning hang and make a frittata. Catch up. I haven't been to the city for a minute, so I'm looking forward to that too. Watching Brad the other day. Oh, is this a cutting board? Whoops! I really thought it was like one of those butcher block top things. Wait, can you teach me how to sharpen a knife?
Yeah, we have a break. We have a little bit. Let's clear a spot for the movie.
There she is. going to be the end of the video. As we were leaving, it started to pour down rain and it got super cold, so it's like kind of icy outside. So we're probably gonna be like homebound for the rest of the day, which is fine. It's been so amazing to see friends this week. It means so much to reconnect and talk. The pandemic experience and the sort of experience of being a stay-at-home mom brings like a deeper meaning to like those times that you get to reconnect with friends. So I just never take those moments for granted anymore. And being with Dutch and being with Kristen and like sharing space and sharing food and catching up and just being together like really goes a long way. It fills my heart up. That's been like a real highlight of this week, like just seeing people and cooking together and that kind of stuff. So anyway, I guess that's like my closing thoughts on the week. Thank you for joining me for another video, for spending this time with me, and I will see you in another one soon. Toby, you want to say bye?